All right, so we've given the pump a little bit of time to inflate. As you can see before, where originally the low pressure light was on and red, we now have the normal pressure light on, and that's green. We've reached the air pressure that we need based on the weight. And you can tell faintly here that the lock is illuminated green. Every now and then you'll hear the pump inflate, just alternating the air around between the two sets of air cells inside. If you're looking at the mattress, you almost won't be able to tell that the air is shifting between the two sets of air chambers, but it is working. It's designed not to look like it because you don't want to be moving somebody around. That'll disturb them when they're sleeping. So we'll press down on the lock for a few seconds. Now you can see that that light is off. And now if we need to, we can adjust the air pressure around. We can engage static mode. Static mode will deactivate the alternating function. So it'll stay at the air pressure that we set it to originally. Now if we deactivate that, we activate sitting mode. Sitting mode, see the low pressure light comes on because sitting mode inflates the mattress to its highest possible air pressure so that the seat can be lifted up, but it's still supported behind, if the mattress is elevated from like a sitting position on the bed. So after a little while, the air pressure will reach the maximum level, normal pressure light will come on. Sitting also deactivates the alternating mode. Okay, see now we're at our highest air pressure. So we'll deactivate that, and it'll go back down to the 250 that we set it to. Again, adjust the controls as long as the lock function is off. Hold that down for just a few seconds. Now you can see the lock is back on. While we're here at the controls, I'll demonstrate what an error looks like. If the device loses power, if the device has an air leak and you're hearing an alarm, it'll sound like this, and I'll show you how to turn that alarm off and reset everything. So we've just pulled the plug on the air pump here. There's no power going to it, but there's still enough charge in there for you to hear that beeping sound. Just press the little alarm key to turn that off. Get it plugged back in now. Reset. It'll default back down to 180. So we'll set it back to the 250 we had it to originally. If that low pressure light comes back on, it's likely, like it did just then, that the pump isn't reading the air pressure in the mattress yet. Even unplugging it, this is a low air loss system, so you're not going to lose any air from the device unless you remove the air hose or unhook the CPR valve at the top or dislodge one of the air cells inside. So, see, much faster than originally. We're back to our normal pressure. And that's gonna cover everything you'll need to know with the controls on the pump. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you like the videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have.